Shocking science behind sneezing. 1. Speed of a sneeze. A sneeze can travel up to 100 mph, 160 km/h, and send 100,000 tiny droplets flying through the air. Brain shutdown. When you sneeze, your heart momentarily pauses and your eyes automatically close. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. 3. Sneeze reflex. Your body sneezes to expel irritants like dust, pollen, or even sudden bright light. Yes, sunlight can trigger sneezes in 1 out of 3 people. 4. Your nose is powerful. Sneezing can clear bacteria and viruses from your nose, but covering your sneeze wrong, like with your hands, can spread germs quickly. Pro tip: always sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Follow for more videos.